Writing an equation of a hyperbola given the foci and the vertices. The first thing I'm going to do is try to get some intuition on which way this hyperbola is actually opening. So let's plot -11, -4 as foci. So there's -11, -4, and then there's 9, -4. So the foci is like that. So it's actually opening left and right. And the vertices are given as well. The vertices are here and here, and those are your vertices. And of course, these are your foci. So that's going to give me this idea. Oh well, we could actually find the center. Let's find the center. So if the red here is -9, -4, and 7, -2, then that difference is 16. So this has to be what? This has to be -1, comma, -4. So if we draw a little rectangle here, we do know our A. Our A units here is right here. Our A is going to be right there. And how much is that? That's 8. A is equal to 8. It would be nice to know B. We do know C. C is actually given as well. Remember, C is this distance. C is this long distance here from a focus point to the center. So that's -1, and we need to go to 7. Sorry, to the focus. Let's label this focus here. This is 9, -4. So that's 10 units. So C is 10. Or 10 is C, right? Now we know the relationship in a hyperbola is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So we could solve for B this way. So this is 100 minus 64 is equal to B squared. B squared subtract 36 is equal to 0. B plus 6 and B minus 6 is equal to 0. So B is equal to -6, or what? B is equal to +6. Well, we know B is greater than 0. So we gotta circle the positive one. B. I should probably loop my 6's a little bit more so they don't look like B's. There. Well, we know the center. Let's write all the information down. HK is equal to -1, -4. We know A squared. A squared is 64. And we know B squared is 36. And we know that it opens left and right, so the A squared is underneath the X. So X plus 1 quantity squared over 64 minus Y plus 4 quantity squared over 36 is now equal to 1. What else should I circle? Should probably circle all this work as well. This is evidence. So let's circle the evidence. I am going to label this, though, the final answer. But the final answer isn't useful unless you provide evidence in a nice logical manner. So that is why this is very important. So circle that as well.